We are doing grocery shopping.
Listen to the dead milkman. They're a good band.
And then we need to buy 컵라면, Korean 컵라면. Wake up. Today we are going to shopping mall.
How do I get fish?
We are here in Tulip Valley Mall.
Job application.
Yeah, you need a job.
오 이쁘다.
Turn the camera to me.
또.
Turn the camera to me.
We are grocery shopping.
Listen to the dead milkman. They're a good band.
Grocery shopping at Costco.
Here they individually pack them because they're big sizes, so they're meant
Hey, you look crazy good.
or more longevity.
Wow, how only 99 cents? Fresh whole bread.
How much is this?
How 99 cents?
This is only $7 for the whole thing.
Whole day?
For the whole thing? That's actually pretty cheap.
Oh,
You want legs?
That's fine. They like drumsticks.
you wanna cook barbecue? The grill?
Yeah, you can grill them. Yeah, this is only $8. This is not 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
And then we need to buy 컵라면, Korean 컵라면. Wake up. Today we are going to shopping mall.
How do I get fish?
There's some car.
Oh my goodness, is that suit? I want to see you wearing suit that day. You're so cute. No, you're cute.
What am I gonna do?
I know.
So I can play pool with it?
Uh-huh.
And then take
You're
it
like
off?
Korea. Daddy's, the mommy says just polar shorts stuff. Oh, cute. Oh.
I just got scared.
We are here in Tulip Valley Mall.
Job application.
Yeah, you need a job.
오 이쁘다. Baby, I like the blue. This is for Joshua. This is for Eden. What do you think?
Just plain white.
Plain white.
Oh, plain white. Got it.
$34.
I'm a size smaller, but I think it's gonna be too tight.
Yeah, it's
I can
gonna
use
be
this
here
as a
too
small.
tight. Hey,
Actually, this might be the medium. No, this is a small. I gave him the small, and then for him, he's gonna use the extra small. I'm gonna have to slim fit. Yeah, it's a slim fit because they're pretty thin. In white as well, right?
Yeah. But you can make those pimp when you fold it all the way up there. Yeah, you can just fold it.
What's the key say?
baby, can you go down?
26, I believe.
God bless you. See, this is actually a little bit long. It is long, little bit.
Friday?
No.
To Saturday.
Saturday. I was gonna say that we could tailor the sleeves for you and make them
Oh,
shorter,
wow.
but can't do
No, but we have to pay the
it. See if I
tailor.
give an extra small for you.
Hey guys, they got Hatsune Miiku's tie.
Saibao.
Oh yeah, shoulder too. That's right here already.
Sure you don't want a boat?
Everything.
It looks weird right now because
A little bit, but.
Yeah. Why?
This is the smallest size we have.
Small.
Yeah, that's an extra small and a slim fit.
okay, then maybe
You need to
we look
wearing
in
the
kids' case.
girls
go to the kids
extra.
section for him.
Yeah, it is.
That one's fine for him.
Yeah.
This one is,
Take off
especially
the
the sleeves. I would say it's fine around here. The neck is a little bit too wide.
Too wide.
You shouldn't be able to fit
Yeah, finger.
4 fingers in here. You should maybe fit 1 max.
And the
plus you
arm
can
is
grow
too
into
long
that
too.
Yeah, exactly.
top.
You can grow into this one as well.
Yeah. It'll take him a while.
Yeah, but that's
Maybe 5 a year.
you're still 13.
In 5 days.
So we can buy
Hey, wait,
Joseph?
Do we have
I
anything
do, sir.
smaller than the extra small?
No?
That's the smallest.
No. I don't think so.
So you just get that one.
Yep, buy that one.
14 and a half is bigger?
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Eh, Did you see she try to eat this one? You're gonna break your teeth.
That is.
You guys have a good one.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Oh, look so cute. Put it away, baby.
Bro, put that away.
Put it away. Or you buy, crazy boy. Boy, he looks so cute. Oh my goodness. I like that. So, baby, you have a... Oh, there. But then, hold on. Looks like it. Oh, only $9.99?
Right here, they might have your size.
Yeah.
I know. They might have a size in here.
Here. Yeah.
Where's the open one of them?
Oh, wow. How so little tiny. Yeah, wow, this is perfect for Ashley.
Nuh-uh.
This looks way too loose on Ethan.
How was it? This is still too big?
I'm gonna blind you all.
Oh. Girls' closer. Maybe he can't fit.
Probably fit that in the girl.
Yeah, let's go.
It's over there.
Girl. Yeah, they do have a dress skirt. Oh my God, I like that. This is. Oh my goodness, so pretty. That's why I like a boys' closer. Baby, Joshua, you are taller than me. Hang, put it back. Where did you get?
It was
And where
sitting
did
there,
you get?
that's why.
Okay. Let's go woman. I mean the girl closer.
For what?
Maybe better for found the Edison closer.
I'm gonna go to Walmart.
Baby here.
Walmart.
I like the set, tie and the shirt.
It's a fake tie.
I know, fake tie. but
Watch
that's still
Brandon works.
cute. Whatever.
Also, is that is that you, Lol? It must be. Hope you still get out there at PWN. So much fun.
What the crazy talking.
Watch.
Eden, try that one. I found the 10 turbo. Ooh, ooh. It looks like Eden. Oh my, she used to try choking me, killing me.
Stop flexing your wrist. I'm trying to see your wrist.
Keeping your wrist full.
Wow, your arm is longer than. Wow.
It still looks short.
You look like. Yeah, probably. Try that one, 10 turbo. Slim fit too. Size 10 turbo. We done shopping. We just walk around, hang out.
We wanted to walk around.
Up to you. Let's go play game. I found the punch game, Joshua.
Oh,
I will
yeah, I
show
saw
you.
it earlier.
I will show you how to play.
What?
Yeah, no problem.
$2?
It
No,
is
it's not
expensive.
worth
No more $1.
$2.
Everybody. Or try buy again. You
Me
think?
praying for Luz
What is it actually?
or Amity.
I need help. Actually, what is the band name?
Ethan,
So I can help you.
The dead milkman.
That milkman.
Ethan, why where is 2 pieces?
The milkman. Oh my head.
Me too.
Oh my head.
Hey, I think my neck is hurting. I don't know.
Ah. Oh, misfit. My head.
I'll just go on to the Spotify then. Why'd you
What is the name?
right here? Girl,
That what?
you have it right here.
The dead milkman.
I don't think I have it, Loki. I'll check on Depop.
Tupac. Is that looks like Lil Jon
What?
when he was a baby? The rapper. So funny, look at. When I head up like that, I choke here.
Aren't you a little interesting creature? Oh my god.
That man, hold on. That milkman.
I don't think I have it, Loki.
Oh, I want to buy skirt.
I'll check on Depop.
Amaya,
Girl.
Amaya.
And
I like it. Why? So much thing? Oh, so cute. Oh my goodness. It is cute.
Why should I buy?
Oh, no short pants inside.
Oh, there's no. Where did it stop?
Miniso store. Yeah. So cute. Oh,
They have the whatchamacallit.
Yobo, not bad. Do I need to buy baby lunch box? Is she gonna like that or not?
Oh, you have
Do you
to
remember-
ask her.
I know, she always complaining the food they try. She.
I don't care complaining. Maybe the food is good now.
The middle school?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because you pay for her lunch thingy, so might as well let her use
Oh. Oh my goodness. No, what is
it.
that? Do they have it? Ooh, oh, she was look. She didn't buy it. She looking for a hair bow, the pink and the long one.
Who?
She want actually.
Pink?
Oh, pink and the long.
I thought she hates pink.
No, she want to get the customer too. Customer,
Oh.
the cosplay.
She needs to just be
Oh my god, so. Oh my goodness.
Squid Game.
얼마예요? 여보, can you check for me?
What? No, you already got $17.99.
$17.99? Not bad. I'm gonna buy
No,
with your drink.
no. You don't
Why?
do that.
No, I want to
Order
speak in.
Amazon.
What? Same prices. The
Go
price
look
is
it up.
$17, 그래요? 뚜뚜뚜. 아이고, 깜짝이야. Oh, I like this pink, but more long and pretty.
There.
No, she wants long. What drink?
Yeah,
Is
buy
that
these.
coffee?
Boba.
Boba? Okay, if you buy that one, we don't need coffee or anything. The two drink?
Yep. We'll share this one.
What do you mean share?
This one, because I don't like open cans. I like. Let's go. Here.
Oh, only $5.99. So cute. Okay, 가자. Order. I want to make liquology. Hand cream. Yep, let's go.
Because they transported the store. It used
Ah.
to be in the middle more, but now they moved it all the way back.
Okay. Guess what? You need to get the play punch game, okay? Punch game. I
Oh, the
told you.
punch game is $2. It's not worth it.
$2.
It's okay. I like my punch game. I like a heating.
Get out.
He's an old guy. You know, this massage I bet $5. Oh, $2 only? Not bad. I thought $5.
Leave them a sock there.
We are almost done shopping. We are going to Box Lunch by the right there. What the heck?
Yeah,
Box
they
Lunch.
transported the store. You know the orange cat Garfield?
What is the orange? You mean Garfield?
Yeah, that.
She collecting that one?
She likes it.
Oh, I don't think so. They have it here. Oh my goodness! Look at the back. Oh. See, they do have a Mickey Mouse. Look at phone and like this. Oh, sure, Daddy. What we bought your bag? Sure, Daddy. Your bag. Oh.
Please don't fight me. Please don't fight me.
I'm not buying that watching.
Yay! Mine was, what was mine? 70.
First piece
too. I was 70, right?
Thank you for watching.
Please subscribe me.
Don't forget the thumbs up.
Bye bye.